Billy was from Birmingham, had the world in his hand, an office job, a bank account, and a pretty wife. Friday would come too soon, he would fly you to the moon. His old lady never knew what he was talking about.